Water pollution issues are a major challenge that humanity is facing in this 21st century. Water pollution occurs when harmful substances contaminate a stream, river, or other body of water. It then degrades water quality and giving it toxics to humans or environment. Hence, this video will show you some current issues that has taken place in Malaysia. We'll also see the impact of the pollution to the society, and lastly, we provide some solutions in order to solve this problem.
Current issue of water pollution in Malaysia. The dumping of chemical waste in Sungai Kim Kim has resulted in 2,775 people falling ill from the exposure to toxic fumes. Up to 200, including school children, being hospitalized. 111 schools being shut down temporarily. The residents nearby experienced breathing difficulty, vomiting, dizziness, and other symptoms. Due to these dumping incidents, it not only polluted the river, but caused a variety of adverse health outcomes to the people. Due to the detection of pollution in Sungai Semenyih, 2 water treatment plants were shut down. A total of 309,687 consumer accounts from Petaling, Hulu Langat, Kuala Langat, and Sepang district were greatly affected. This incident has reduced the water availability for daily use for the consumer.
Next, rubbish are most likely to end up in waterways, choking the rivers and streams and polluting the water. But not everyone are aware about the treatment costs that they need to pay. The lower the water quality, the higher the treatment cost is. The water pollution in Penang has caused the fishes to die rapidly. This has deprived fish breeders of their source of income as thousands of fish are dying. This also has affected the loss of marine diversity. Lastly, marine litter and debris is one of human-created waste which can harm ocean ecosystems, wildlife, and humans. Some marine animals could ingest smaller plastic particles and choke or starve itself.
Impacts and mitigations. From the issues of marine debris in our oceans, it had impacted marine life where it harmed the ocean ecosystems, wildlife, and humans. Marine debris can also injure coral reefs and bottom-dwelling species and entangle or drown the ocean wildlife. Some marine animals had ingested small plastic particles and choked. Medical waste such as shrink, sharp objects, and large pieces of litter can pose a direct threat to humans. The mitigation for this issue is government need to play their important role. The efforts are more effective when coupled with private industry action and technological innovation, and investment in emerging technologies to increase efficiency of the marine litter cleanup efforts need to be made. The second issues on illegal chemical dumping in Sungai Kim Kim had impacts thousands of Malaysians inhale the toxic fumes emanating from the chemical waste. Most of people that affected by the fumes are children from schools near the river.
The mitigation that we can take is to have more accurate model that is developed to increase the resolutions of locating the actual sources of the pollutant. Since the toxic gases are denser than air, the modified back trajectory model that is based on the light gases could be improved by incorporating the density of denser than air gases of the hazardous chemicals to better identify the sources of the toxic gas releases. Next is the impacts on humanity. According to the article by thebunewpost.com, the issue of river pollution has been rampant of late, resulting in water supply disruption, especially in Selangor. Every few months, there will be cases of river pollution and water supply disruptions. Many industrial sector and local communities affected due to the continuous water disruptions. So, the mitigation that we can take is to make a preparation before any sudden water disruptions. With this ultimate guide to deal with water supply disruptions, you can be sure to know what to do whenever you have to face water disruptions. These are alternatives such as buying the 90-liter pills, which are worthwhile investment to prepare for the water disruptions in the future.
Furthermore, the impacts of fishermen that lost source of income, it is clearly seen at the water pollution in Penang. According to the Star on Tuesday, May 28, 2019, Penang is facing serious water pollution issues both on island and mainland. The sea off Teluk Baong is said to be contaminated by heavy metals, while in Nibong Tibok, the water at the Sungai Tengah River mouth is black. This has deprived fish breeders of their source of income as thousands of ikan, karapu, grouper, are dying in fish cages. In this issue, the mitigation should be taken by government, and also non-government organization must act up together to reduce and remove the heavy metal in Sungai Tengah area that contaminated with heavy metal. several methods have been used to remove heavy metals from contaminated water. They include chemical precipitation, ion exchange, adsorption, membrane filtration, reverse osmosis, solvent extraction, and electrochemical treatment. Earth comprises about 70% of water, where humans and animals consume only 1% of fresh and healthy water for drinking. Humans consume fresh water for daily activities. So we should be serious about protecting it from pollution. Water pollution is a serious environmental problem prevailing in our society.
The purpose of this video is to create awareness to our society. The number of likes in this video will affect our mark on the subject Environmental Engineering and Sustainability ECW 445. We are from Faculty of Civil Engineering UiTM Shah Alam, Semester 4, Class of EC 220481, March to August 2021. We'd like to say thank you for watching, and your contribution to like and share this video will be meaningful to us.